Namaste friends, this is Priyu and you all are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I will give you few ideas about this Diwali home decor. These all are very unique and very easy. So let's start. Number 1. I am taking 5 paper cups here. I am also taking acrylic color. Now I am applying this acrylic color on this paper cup. My all paper cups are now very colorful. I am taking one and I am using glue, attaching golden lace on this cup. Again I am applying this lace on this cup. Taking a colorful golden Zari lace here. Now I am setting this with stapler. You also can use hot glue gun. After doing this, I am taking white acrylic color. I am making few designs on this. This design is very easy. You can choose any other design. After making design, I am applying glue on the gap of this paper cup. I am using crystal stickers here. You also can choose mirror. This cup is ready now. My all cups are very colorful and very beautiful looking. I am taking a safety pin for making a small hole on this cup, and also I am taking needle, thread and a small stick. I am making knot with this stick. Now I am passing this needle and thread through this small hole for make this cup more secure and for hanging purpose. I am taking few beads. I am putting all beads inside this. I am taking also Pompom. Again I am applying beads here. I am using Pompom also. I am removing this needle from here, making a knot and a gap for hanging purpose. This is ready. My all paper cups wall hanging is completely ready. I hang them all on my wall. It's looking very beautiful and very fabulous. You must try this at your home. These all are very gorgeous. You can also hang them all together. Number 2. Now I am taking a round shaped cap paper. I am folding this from the middle. Opening this and cut this from this line. Taking another colorful paper and making a design with a pen. I am making a very easy design. Now I am cut this as per line. This is ready. I am applying glue on this. I blend the all glue with my finger. Taking the half shekel paper and attach this designer paper on it. Removing the extra paper from both sides. This is my diya. I am taking a flame shaped cardboard. I am putting this on a yellow colored paper. Making outline with a pen. Cut this as per line. After doing this, I am using little amount of glue at the bottom part of this flame. Smudge this with your finger and attach this diya with the flame. This is my paper diya. These all are my paper diya. These all are very colorful. I am taking square shaped glitter sheet. Also I am taking the needle and thread. I am using some beads for making a design. Now one by one I am taking all paper diya and glitter sheet. Fix them all with glue. After that, I am applying glue on glitter sheet and fix it here. One by one I will do this. Look at this very carefully. This is a very easy craft. You all can do this at your home. So this chain is ready. I hang them all in front of my wall. It's looking very beautiful. You know, Diwali is festival of colors and lights. Decorate your home with this craft. I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the all notification button. Don't miss upcoming videos from this channel. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. And thanks for watching till then. Stay happy, stay cool, stay safe.